Raise your hands, speak to Him, return to Him. Because as long as you are alive, as long as your heart is still beating, as long as you can whisper His name, it is never too late. You are not unworthy. You are His servant, and His door is always open. Everything you have been through, every tear, every prayer, every sleepless night, every closed door and opened one, every fall and every rise has been leading you here. Not just to this moment in time, but to this awareness. You are a traveler. This world is not your home. You were not created to stay here forever. You were created for something greater. This life you are living now, it is just a journey, a test, a bridge, a short stop along the way to your real destination. Yet, how easily we forget. We get so caught up in our pain that we forget its purpose. We get so distracted by chasing what is temporary that we forget what is eternal. We spend our days clinging to people, places, dreams without realizing that one day all of it will be left behind and we will return to the one who was waiting for us all along. This is why Allah allows us to feel heartbreak, to remind us that our hearts were never meant to attach to this dunya. This is why He allows us to feel lost, to remind us that nothing here lasts forever. This is why He tests us, to remind us that our real reward is not here but there. Have you ever thought about what that moment will feel like? The moment your soul leaves your body and you finally realize that everything you believed was true all along. The moment when the veils are lifted and you see the angels and you hear the words, "O tranquil soul, return to your Lord, pleased and pleasing." The moment you stand before Him, your Creator, your Sustainer, your Lord, and you see Him for the very first time. The one you cried to in the dark. The one you begged for forgiveness. The one you trusted when nothing else made sense. The one you longed to meet. On that day, all the pieces of your story will fall into place. You will see the wisdom behind every test you endured. You will see the reward for every act of patience you clung to. You will see the mercy behind every prayer you thought went unanswered. You will see that not a single tear you shed, not a single sajda you made, not a single moment you spent remembering Him was ever wasted. And in that moment you will feel a peace that this world could never offer. A peace that no pain can touch. A joy that no sadness can darken. A homecoming that makes every step of your journey worth it. This is why you were created. Not just to survive here. Not just to endure the storms here. But to find your way back to Him with a heart full of faith and a soul that never stopped walking even when it stumbled. When you understand this, everything changes. Your pain becomes easier to bear. Because you know it's temporary. Your struggles feel lighter. Because you know they're part of the test. Your blessings feel sweeter. Because you know they're gifts on loan. Your life gains meaning. Because you know where it's headed. You stop asking, why me? Why this? Why now? And you start asking, how can I use this to get closer to Him? How can I walk through this with patience? How can I make sure my final destination is with Him? Because that is all that matters. On the day your soul is taken and you leave everything behind, none of the pain you carried will matter anymore except for how it purified you. None of the people who abandoned you will matter anymore except for those who prayed for you. None of the blessings you chased will matter anymore except for what you used to please Him. You see, this journey was never just about enduring this world. It was about preparing for the next. It was about polishing your soul step by step through every storm until you were ready to meet Him. It was about learning to let go of what was never yours and holding on to the one who always was. So tonight, take a deep breath. Look back at your life with gratitude for all of it. The pain and the blessings, the tears and the smiles, the losses and the lessons. And remind yourself, this was all part of the journey. You are still walking. You are still trying. You are still moving closer to Him. And when you finally reach the end, when your eyes close for the last time and your soul rises and the angels greet you with peace, you will understand. You will see that He was with you all along. You will feel His mercy surround you. You will realize that every hardship, every heartbreak, every act of faith brought you home. Your journey will end exactly where it was meant to. In His presence, in His forgiveness, in His love. So keep walking, keep believing, keep your eyes on your true home. Because your journey is almost over.